first thing we want to do is remove our dipstick. This is going to help the crankcase vent properly when changing our engine oil. Up next, using a 17mm socket, we'll remove the drain bolt and let the engine oil drain completely. As the engine oil is draining, now is a good chance to check the condition of the crush washer. If it's damaged or missing, you'll want to replace it to prevent any future leaks. Now we'll simply reinstall the drain bolt and torque it to 17 foot-pounds. Now we'll insert our funnel to prepare to fill the engine with oil. Honda recommends that this unit hold 0.7 liters of Honda Gen 4 10W30 oil. Make sure you use an oil for a wet clutch system or else your clutches will slip. Now we'll reinstall our dipstick and start the engine up and let it idle for just a few minutes. That's going to get the oil circulated through the system properly. Once it's done that, we'll shut the engine off and let it sit for a few more moments, and that'll help us achieve an accurate oil level reading. Now it's time to remove the dipstick and wipe off the excess oil to check our oil level. Once we wipe off the excess, we just want to simply set the dipstick on the threads and lift it back out to get our oil level reading. And that looks great, so let's hit the trails.